Today, I'm going to show you how to change your friend's name on Snapchat. This is a great way to personalize your friends list. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, swipe right from the camera screen to access your friends list. Now, scroll through your friends list to find the person whose name you want to change. Once you find them, tap and hold their name. A menu will appear. Tap on the friend. Now simply tap on the name. This will allow you to enter a new name for your friend. Now type in the new name and tap on save. Now simply refresh. And that's it. You've successfully changed your friend's name on Snapchat. It is quite easy. Now you can easily personalize your friends list on Snapchat.